Hello everyone. So in this video we will cover the Lahore session of Congress proposal of complete independence 1929. Our first question is, during Indian freedom struggle, who among the following proposed that Swaraj should be defined as a complete independence free from all foreign control? So it is said by Maulana Hasrat Mohani. It is said by Maulana Hasrat Mohani. So Maulana Hasrat Mohani in Ahmedabad session 1921 proposed that Swaraj should be defined as a complete independence free from all foreign control and should be considered the goal of the Congress. C.R. Das was elected as the president of Congress, Ahmedabad session 1921, but the session was presided over by the Hakim Azmal Khan as C.R. Das was in jail. Next question is, who among the following leaders proposed to adopt the complete independence as the goal of the Congress in Ahmedabad session 1921? So it is proposed by Hasrat Mohani. He said that Swaraj should be similar to the complete independence. There should be no foreign rule over the Indian people. ठीक है, कोई भी जो है foreign control नहीं होना चाहिए. Next है, when did the Congress pass proposal of independence of India for the first time? So it was passed in 1929. Congress had given an ultimatum in Calcutta session to British government to accept the Nehru report within a year or face the mass movement to be launched by the Congress, but the British government did not notice the warning. As a result of the historic Lahore session in chairmanship of Jawaharlal Nehru, so you must have remembered at least important sessions that like Lahore session, Karachi session. So Lahore session is presided over by the Jawaharlal Nehru, held in December 1929, and the proposal to India's independence had been declared by him for the first time. Jawaharlal Nehru on December 31st, 1929 hoisted the flag of India's independence on the bank of river Ravi at Lahore. The Congress in its meeting of January 2nd, 1930 decided that complete Independence Day will be celebrated on 26th January 1930. When on 26th January 1930 and 26th January of every year will be celebrated as the complete Independence Day. It was said in Lahore session of Congress, that is in 31st December 1929. Here he hosted Indian tricolor at the bank of the river Ravi. ठीक है? Next is the proposal of Purna Swaraj was passed in Lahore Congress in the year. So it is in 1929. It is in 1929. Who among the following was the president of Indian National Congress when the resolution of Purna Swaraj was passed? ठीक है, तो the Jawaharlal Nehru was the president of Indian National Congress at Lahore session, who declared the aim of the Congress as Purna Swaraj in the Lahore session of 1929. So he was Jawaharlal Nehru. He declared the complete independence for India, and he hosted Indian tricolor, Indian flag on the bank of the river Ravi, Lahore. Next question is, who hoisted the Indian flag at the midnight of December 31st, 1929? Jawaharlal Nehru is the correct answer. The next question is, when was the newly adopted tricolor flag of freedom first hosted? So it was first hosted 31st December 1929. So which one of the following sessions of Indian National Congress was presided over by the Jawaharlal Nehru for the first time? It was Lahore session 1929. Lahore session of 1929 of the Congress was presided over by Jawaharlal Nehru. Proposal for the complete independence was passed in this session, and it was decided that January 26th of every year will be celebrated as the complete Independence Day. Next question is, the Lahore session of Indian National Congress 1929 is very important in the history because Congress passed a resolution demanding the complete independence. Till now they are demanding for the dominion status, like Nehru report they demanded dominion status, and they said that if government is not accepting the Nehru report within the year, they will create a mass movement against the British government. तो ये चीज़ थी. नेक्स्ट आपका है इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं. हिस्टोरिक लाहौर सेशन इन इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस इज in the chairmanship of the Jawaharlal Nehru was held in December 31st, 1929, and the proposal to India's independence has been declared by him for the first time. The rift between the extremists and the moderates was resolved in 1916 Lucknow session of INC. Hence, statement 2 is incorrect. The two-nation theory was never proposed during the Lahore Congress session, though it was opposed by the Congress as a political party. Two-nation theory was never opposed during the Lahore session. Two-nation theory was never opposed during the Lahore session, though it was opposed by the Congress as a political party. ठीक है? Next question is, the 1929 session in Indian National Congress is of the significance in the history of the freedom movement because attainment of Purna Swaraj was adopted as the goal of the Congress. Next question is, in which of the following sessions of Indian National Congress Purna Swaraj was declared as the goal of the Congress? So it was Lahore session of 1929. Lahore session of 1929. For the first time, Purna Swaraj was declared by the Congress Lahore session. Next is the president of Lahore session of Indian National Congress 1929 was. The president was Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the president. Next question is, which of the following was not included in the resolution of Lahore session of Indian National Congress? Was not included. So we will see all the options. A is declaration of India's foreign policy. Declaration of India's foreign policy. B is declaration of complete independence. C is preparing to launch a civil disobedience movement, and D is abolition of untouchability. So abolition of untouchability was not, just a second, which of the following was not included? तो नहीं जो इंक्लूड था वो हमें बताना है. तो abolition of untouchability was not included in that. The resolution proposed by the Indian National Congress on December 31st, 1929 consisted of the following points. One is, there was no benefit from the round table conference. There is no benefit from the round table conference. Two is, the plan of the dominant status of India has been abolished. Third is, the word Swaraj means complete independence. Fourth is, all India Congress, whenever it considers appropriate, can start civil disobedience movement. So they already declared that whenever they feel that suitable time, they can start the civil disobedience movement. Abolition of untouchability was not mentioned in the proposal. The round table conference can be considered as the India's foreign policy, as the British government only had the right to make the foreign policy of India. It was primarily passed by the Congress on session on 1921 that there must be a foreign policy for India in 1921 session. ठीक है. Next है, the Purna Swaraj resolution adopted at the Lahore session of Indian National Congress was moved by. So it was moved by Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the president, and it was moved itself by the Jawaharlal Nehru. ठीक है. The Purna Swaraj resolution was prepared and presented by Jawaharlal Nehru at Lahore session of Indian National Congress. During this presidential speech, he said that today we have only one target, the target of the independence. Independence for us is complete independence. It is not meant that dominant status they are demanding. They were demanding for the complete independence. The Nehru report was rejected in the session, which only sought for dominant status. ठीक है. तो ये हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विल बी सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट. तो उसको हम नेक्स्ट वाले वीडियो में कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू.